very good afternoon to one and all listeners. We have reached the end of our national workshop on advancement in antenna engineering using artificial intelligence. I hope this last day is not the end, but a bright new beginning. I am Muthu Ramya, take the privilege of welcoming you all for the relatively ceremony of the national workshop. We are very glad that we have organized the national workshop sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy and successfully completed the program with all your support. It is happy that we have included two fitness sessions as per the guidelines of our beloved director sir. Both the sessions will definitely be helpful to keep us healthy physically and mentally. Now I invite the convener, Dr. R. Bhupati Rani ma'am, to give few words about significance of this national workshop.
Good afternoon all. Atal sponsored National Workshop on Advancements in Antenna Engineering using Artificial Intelligence was started on 21st September 2020. Our director, Sir Dr. K. Sankaranarayana Swami Sir, presided over the function. Dr. S. Raghavan Sir, visiting faculty, Professor H.A.C. retired, was the chief guest and delivered chief guest address. Dr. G. Akila Ma'am, Registrar in charge, has given special address and felicitated the event. Dr. G. Lakshmi Sudha Ma'am, HOD ECE, delivered vote of thanks. On 21st, there were 4 sessions on microwave fundamentals by Dr. S. Raghavan Sir, NIT Trichy. Introduction to antennas, fundamental parameters by Dr. S. S. Karthikeyan Sir, NIT Trichy. Antennas for community radio and 5G applications by Dr. Chinmay Saga Sir, IIST Trivandrum. On 22nd, there were 4 sessions on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence by Dr. Varun P. Gopi Sir, NIT Trichy. Optimization techniques for beamforming, session 1 by Dr. Prakash Rao Sir, NIT Warangal. Fitness session 1 by Dr. S. Babu Sir, NIT Puducherry. On 3rd day, that is 23rd, there were 4 sessions on metamaterial antennas by Dr. R. Vandishwari Ma'am, NIT Trichy. Antenna design and simulations by myself. Optimization techniques for beamforming, session 2 by Dr. Prakash Rao Sir, NIT Warangal. Tools for AI and research by Dr. V. Surendran Sir, NIT Puducherry. On 4th day, that is on 24th, there were 4 sessions on meta-heuristics in antenna engineering, why and how, by Dr. Alamindu Patnaik Sir, IIT Roorkee. Tunable SAW antenna by Dr. Arani Anikant Sir, IIT Jodhpur. Fitness session 2 by Mr. S. Ram Kumar, NIT Puducherry. And today, the session was given by Mr. S. Purushothaman Sir, scientist at ISRO, on the topic antennas for satellite communication. In this, there were total of 120 people across the country participated in the event. The state of the participants include Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Puducherry, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. We had participants from 94 institutes. Names are starting with almost all the alphabets in English except 7, like AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, to Z, that is Z College of Engineering and Research. Indian Naval Academy, National Institute of Technology, Trichy, NIT Puducherry, Remote Sensing Application Center, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Weltec University, VIT, etc. The feedback was collected for all the sessions and the average score was more than 90 for all the sessions. So this is a brief note about the workshop. Thank you.
Thank you. We are happy to see the keen interest of the participants in attending our program. We hope we met all your expectations in delivering the valuable content for enhancing your knowledge. In this context, we are looking for few participants who can give their valuable feedback. The participants can
Yes, conversion. Yes.
Now I request the participants to give their feedback.
Good afternoon. Are you audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir. You can continue.
Okay. So good afternoon to all. Dr. Sadish Manigandan from Indian Naval Academy, Erikala. We have got a very good opportunity from ACDE for running this course a month back. We registered it. Start from 21st September till today. We got a very nice sessions from all the resource persons, especially starting from this terms of antenna, microwave engineering, antennas for this 5G communications, that is quality radio network, optimization of beamforming networks, beamforming techniques for antennas, antenna simulation tools, especially HFSS by Bhubadi Rani ma'am, Dr. Bhubadi Rani ma'am, and artificial intelligence and this Veka tool platform, which is required for the future artificial intelligence applications for building the machine learning models, tunable antennas, technology related personal health informations by Mr. Ramkumar sir. It was a very beautiful and a different kind of sessions, also by Dr. S. Babu, provided from NIT Puducherry. So these are all different good fields, well planned and well organized and well selected by the resource persons, and the coordinators of the team also selected the resource persons in a very nice manner in their reputed field. So we got a very good opportunity to learn the informations in a different fields of the antenna design and how we can incorporate this antenna technology by using that artificial intelligence. That is a future platform of everywhere at anywhere for all kind of the applications. So in this regard, I thank you the organizers of this National Institute of Technology Puducherry very heartfully, and I thank the resource persons for giving immense knowledge to us for the last 1 week to update our current available knowledges, and the event coordinators and those who are behind that, especially Dr. Bhubadi Rani ma'am and Mr. Ramkumar sir. They helped a lot during the technical issues whenever we encountered for the time duration, whenever we have during the internet issue or any other network problem. They have kindly given a very nice informations to rectify the technical errors happening during our connectivity. So by the way, I thoughtfully extend my sincere gratitude to all the people, those who are organized this program directly and indirectly. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We would like to get some more feedback from participants. Anybody willing? Please share your feedback. Share your feedback, please.
Can I speak, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Hello, myself, Dr. Suresh Badurkar from Pune, Maharashtra. Hello. It's a good opportunity for me to learn the MS antenna design with the AI. From Monday, I was attending all the sessions. All the sessions were very interesting, sir. Especially one of the session, Dr. Raghavan sir and Bhupati Rani has given the very nice sessions, nice presentations also. Along with this, there are two sessions, that is body and yoga meditations. These sessions were very interesting for me also because to keep how to keep a mind stable and all those things by the two resource person. It was a very nice arrangement, a nice preparation, and especially all this preparation has done by the lady faculty members of NIT Puducherry. It was very nice for me, and almost all the sessions were very interesting. Even though some of the sessions the participants have lose their network and they have been demanded, please send the attendance link, or kindly they have sent the attendance link to their mail ID and all those things. This is very nice for us, and I hope that I have taken a lot of things as far as the antenna designs are concerned. Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the NIT Puducherry team. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any other feedback from participants? I request a few more participants to give their feedback. Thank you, sir. I request the director to say something about our workshop.
Good afternoon, all. Well, wherever we go, we do not use this 5G.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah. Well, the one refreshing change in this workshop is there are two sessions on fitness. Only a sound body can carry a sound mind. Whatever things you learn, unless you are very highly healthy, you cannot execute anything. It is good that they have thought of doing two sessions on fitness. And hereafter, let us, in NIT Puducherry, any 5-day program, they organize at least two sessions, let us have on fitness. If one more adult program is coming up, there also we will have this two programs of fitness. It serves two purposes. Number one, it breaks the monotony. Number two, it gives you some tips to keep yourself fit. Keeping fit is really very important. Then only you will have a full life. The response for this program is overwhelming, and the feedback what I hear is also overwhelming. Heads up to the organizers, Bhupati and team for organizing such a wonderful program. And ours is a small institution, budding institution. This type of programs only will benchmark our institution in this country. We are still a long way to go. We will work hard. We have to work hard, and let us let this type of program be the torch bearer of our institute. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I request our beloved director, Professor Dr. K. Sankar Narayan Swami, sir, to distribute the certificates to the coordinators of this program. First, I'd like to call Dr. G. Lakshmi Sukha, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of ECE and ATK. Dr. Khalid Mohan VK, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE and ATK. Correct on E. Dr. Malay Kumar Nath, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE and ATK. Dr. Aniruddha Pandey, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE and ATK. Department of ECE and ATK. Dr. B. Surendran, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE and ATK. Dr. G. Surendran, sir, also served as a resource person for one fruitful session in our workshop.
One more. Double roll.
Next, I'd like to call Dr. S. Babu, sir, Student Activity and Sports Officer, Physical Education, NATPY, to receive the certificate for acting as a resource person for the fitness session part 1 in our. Next, I'd like to call Dr. K. Chandrasekharan, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, NATPY, to receive the certificate for being a member of organizing. Thank you, sir. Now I invite our beloved registrar, Dr. G. Akila Nan, to distribute the certificate for the organizing committee.
இல்ல அடுத்த நீங்க கொடுக்குறீங்க.
Mr. R. Sakif Babu, sir, Technical Assistant, Department of ECE and ATK. Mr. V. Movemental, sir, Technician, Department of CSE and ATK. Ms. M. Mahalakshmi, Technician, Department of ECE and ATK. Ms. K. Nancy Marvin Juliet, MPS and ATK. Now I request the internal resource persons and organizing committee members to receive the certificate from Register Ma'am. I like to call my co-scholar, Mr. S. Ramkumar, Department of ECE and ATK. He is receiving the certificate for handling business session part 2. I'd like to call my co-scholar, Ms. Rajasri, Department of ECE and ATK, to receive the certificate for handling a hands-on session on antenna design in the workshop.
I would like to invite Muthu Miyam for handling hands-on on HFSS and being the organizing committee member. Next, we would like to invite organizing committee members, Praveen Kumar. Yes, please.
Mrs. Pumurali, PhD scholar, Department of ECE and ATK. Mrs. Anita, PhD scholar, Department of ECE and ATK. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our beloved director, sir, to give a memento and certificate for the convener and resource person, Dr. R. Bhupati Rani, ma'am. On the resource person and the administrative convener. Thank you, sir. I request Dr. R. Bhupati Rani ma'am to give a small memento to our beloved director, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. G. Lakshmi Sudha ma'am, head of the department ECE, to give a small memento to the registrar ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I want to convey a special message received from Professor Dr. S. Raghavan, sir. The message was, the FCP was a grand success to the entire department of ECE and MEDPY. The credit goes to Dr. Bhupati Rani and his team members, Muthuramya, Rajasri and Ram Kumar and others who helped. The director, registrar and HOD and faculty members are behind the colorful success by Dr. S. Raghavan. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your constant support and encouragement, sir. Saying thank you is more than good manners. It is good spirituality. Now I would like to call Dr. R. Bhupati Rani ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected Director Dr. K. Sangaranarayan Swamy sir, Register In-Charge ma'am, Dr. G. Akila ma'am, HOD Dr. G. Lakshmi Sudha ma'am, my dear fellow faculty members, non-teaching fraternity, scholars, students of NIT Puducherry, dear participants, and also one and all present here offline and online. On behalf of Organizing Committee of ATEL National Workshop on Advancements in Antenna Engineering using Artificial Intelligence, I am happy to propose vote of thanks. On this auspicious occasion, first and foremost, we thank our Honorable Director, His Excellency Dr. K. Sangaranarayan Swamy sir, for the administrative approval, guidance, continuous encouragement, and the generous support, and his presence and blessings. Thank you, sir. We would like to thank Dr. G. Akila ma'am, Registrar In-Charge, for her continuous encouragement and support. Thank you, ma'am. We would like to thank Dr. S. Raghavan sir for being the chief guest during the inaugural function and delivering expert talk in session 1. We would like to thank our resource persons, Dr. S. Raghavan sir, visiting faculty, Professor H.A.G. Vikai, Department of ECE, NIT Trichy, Dr. Alamit Patnaik sir, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, IIT Roorkee, Dr. Chinmay Saga sir, Associate Professor, Department of Avionics, IIST Trivandrum, Dr. Prakash Rao sir, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Warangal, Dr. R. Pandishwari ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Trichy, Dr. S.S. Karthikeyan sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Trichy, Dr. Varun P. Gopi sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, NIT Trichy, Dr. Aranya Alikon sir, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, IIT Jodhpur, Mr. S. Purushothaman sir, Scientist F, ISRO Bangalore, Dr. B. Surendran sir, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, NIT Puducherry, Dr. S. Babu sir, Student Activity and Sports Officer, Physical Education, NIT Puducherry, Dr. S. Ramkumar, PhD Scholar, Department of ECE, NIT Puducherry. Thank you all the resource persons for your valuable time spent and sharing your expertise. We would like to thank Dr. K. Chandrasekharan sir, APEEE, for the timely help for creating GSOO plugin via his domain ID. Engineering work starting from the link creation, recording, and the successful completion of the workshop. I am happy to thank my scholars, Mrs. Rajashree, Mrs. Muthuramya, for their tireless work during all sessions of the workshop and comparing and conduct of the event. I would like to thank my scholar Ram Kumar for his tireless work in recording the event and successful conduct of the event. I would like to thank my fellow team members, Dr. G. Lakshmi Sudha ma'am, HOD ECE, Dr. Harigovindan sir, AP ECE, Dr. Malay Kumar sir, APECE, Dr. Anirudh Kane sir, APECE, Dr. Surendra sir, APECE, Dr. B. Surendran sir, APCSE, Ms. Mahalakshmi, Technician, Ms. Nancy, MGS, Mr. Muvendan, Technician CSE, and one and all. We would like to convey my special thanks to all the participants for their active participation and making the function grand success. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. I'd like to thank all the participants who have turned up in such a great number. Thank you so much for the cordial cooperation. I'd like to inform the participants that those who have attended all the sessions with 80%